So palitada po, pag masila is my favorite, pag skin coat. Kasi medyo OC po ako. Medyo may pagka-perfectionist pagdating sa mga bagay. Tapos, ayun, I think that's like the best thing I could do. Parang nagpa-flooring yun po ako, like, konti. And then, yung pag-ayos ng kisame. My dad, mahilig po talaga mga likot yan pagdating sa mga electric fan, nandyan sa mga ceilings. So, doon po talaga ako natuto.
Nakadepende sa bibig.
I can say that he's actually the jack of all trades. So he may not be able to graduate college, pero he has this skill talaga which I really admire about him.
I know we know you went down for forever and it's fine. I know we know we weren't meant for each other and it's fine. But if the world was ending, you'd come over, right? You'd come over and you'd stay the night.
So it's not that big, but it's enough for me to save while I'm still at home. Let's break the gender norms and show them what we got. If ever someone's going to be there to offer you something, offer help, take it. Pero it's better if you know how to do it yourself. So yung mga pangungulit ko sa'yo, this is the outcome of it. Look at my room now. I think it's gonna be really proud of me one day.